One of the major benefits of managing classroom projects in Project Pals is access to powerful data visualizing student work on the platform. The data provides invaluable insights into individual student contribution in a group project. Students working in groups across all ages struggle with fair delegation of work, often resulting in some members doing more work than others. This team dynamic can create conflict and make it challenging for teachers to assess individual student contribution and determine exactly who did what. As students work in Project Pals, the platform records every student activity, presenting the project data in easy-to-read charts. Viewing project statistics increases accountability for students, while improving transparency for teachers. To view statistics for a project, click on the Statistics link in the project dashboard. The top chart visualizes student activity over time. You can filter the chart by date to view statistics for specific time periods, and change the data displayed on the chart by selecting the tabs. The default tab is Hours, which reports active time in the platform. We stop counting after a student has been idle for 15 minutes. This chart helps answer two crucial questions. How much time did each student work on the project? And did they work on it throughout the project duration, or did they cram in the last few days? Sessions is the number of times a student has logged into the project. You can also view the average session duration, which can be an indicator of focused effort. Actions quantify the number of times a student has created or edited content in the workspace. This is a measure of how much a student contributed to the project. And Collaboration measures how collaborative were the students by counting collaborative behaviors in the platform, including chats, comments, and shared contributions to the same content. Below is a table with totals for the chart. The table provides an easy way to compare student activity in the project. Below the table is a bar chart with detailed information about what each team and individual student did in the project, viewable by tasks, actions, and collaborations. And next to it, a pie chart illustrating individual student contribution as a percentage of the team's contribution, also viewable by tasks, actions, and collaborations. At the bottom of the project statistics page is a project log detailing every action in the project with a username and timestamp.